So hello guys, come on the Leetcode easy question, which is minimum distance to the target element. The question is given an integer array nums 0 indexed and two integers target and start. Find an index I such that nums of I is equal to target and absolute value of I minus start is minimized. So we have to find a index which we have to find a number which is equal to target. Then we have to minimize that index on which we have find the number, that index, and start difference. We have to minimize the difference of that index and start which index on that we have found the number. So if we have 1 2 3 4 5, if we have array 1 2 3 4 5 and our start is 3, target is 5. Start is 3 and target is 5. So what we have to find? We have to find the number 5 in the given array. Here 5 is only once, but it is not necessarily that in any array we have that number once. Its frequency can be 1 2 3 4 anything. So we have to find first this number 5. For finding the number, we can traverse the array. We will uh, traverse the array by a for loop, and I will find the number. I will give a condition. If any nums of I is equal to target, then we will stop there. Then what we have to do? We have to do that index, let we have found the 5 at index 4. Its index is 4. So we have found. So what we have to minimize? We have to minimize this 4 minus 3. We have to minimize this 4 minus 3. Let here 5 is ones. If 5 is here also, if our array is like this 1 2 3 4 and 5, so 5 is at index 4 and 5 is also at index 5. So what have to do? Okay, that's not a point. Let's say if 5 is here also, instead of 4 here is 5. We have 5 1 2 3 5 and 5 5. Let's here 5. So here our index is 0 1 2 3. So 5 is at 3 4 and 5. So which 5 we can take? We have 3 5s. Which 5 we can take? Target is equal to 5. So target is this also, this also, this also. Which 5 we can take? We have to take that 5 which index is equal to, or its index difference from this start is very less. So we will take this 5 which index is 3, because 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can take this 5. So what is the approach? Approach is very easy. We will traverse the array with a for loop. We will find if any number is equal to nums of I. We will store its index minus start. We will do its index minus start. We will do this 3 minus 3 or 4 minus 3 or 5 minus 3. We will let's say this start is 4 or 5. Let's say its index is 5. So what we will do, first we will found that 5 at index 3. So we will do 3 minus 5. Its answer is 2. So we will store this in answer. We will store this number in temp. So in temp we have, now we have in temp we have 3. We are at index 3 and we have found the nums of I is equal to target. So we will stop there, and we will store its answer 5 minus 3 in temp. So what I will do, in answer we will store into max number. So what I will do, I will check if this temp is less than the answer. If this temp is less than the answer, then I will do answer is equal to temp. then I will do answer is equal to temp. Sorry for this bad handwriting. Okay, so we'll do answer equal to temp. Okay, and so yeah, our answer will go. Uh, our we will find from this approach we will find the answer. Okay, for okay better time complexity, what we can do, if let's say 5 is here also, let here is 6 and here we will find another 5. So and here we have the 4 all, here we have 4. So I can, okay, so let's we have the array is 1 2 3 5 5 4 6 5. Okay, and our start is 5 and target also 5. So what we have to find? We have to find a we have to find a number which is equal to target, and then we have to minimize the distance of that start and its index. So like we are traversing for in this array. We are at 0 index, which is 1. It is not equal to target. It will continue the traversing. It is 2 not equal to target, continue. 3 not equal to target, continue. 5 equal to target. Okay. So what we will do? We will store its index minus start in temp. Okay. So we have a temp variable in which we will store 0, 1, 2, 3. It's index 3 minus 5. It's absolute value, so it is 2. Also we have one answer which we have to return. So in this we will store its maximum. We will store first, initially we will store maximum value. So what we will say, we will apply a condition, if condition. We will apply a if condition in which we will say if answer, if the stamp is less than the answer, then we will store the stamp value in the answer, because we have to find the minimum. So what we will do, if the stamp is less than the answer, then we will store the stamp value in the answer. So now temp is less than the maximum, so what we will do, we will store 2 in the answer. Okay, now we will continue traversing. Now we are at 4 index. This number is equal to target, yes. So now what we will store in temp, this 4 minus 5 means 1. So temp, we have temp, in temp we have 1. Now we again check if condition, that temp, if temp is less than the answer, we can store the stamp in the answer. So answer we have 1. Again we will continue. We are at 5 index. It is equal to target, no. 6 is equal to target, no. We will continue. 5, if is it equal to target, 5 is equal to target, yes, but it index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Its index is 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. In temp we have 2. Now this temp is not less than the answer. Temp is greater than the answer. So what we can do? What we can do? So we can break the loop here also. Here only we can break the loop. Why? Because I is continuously increasing. If we will increase the I like 7, what we are doing, 7 minus 5. Here we are doing 7 minus 5. Yeah, start is 5. So here we are doing 7 minus 5 is we are getting 2, which is greater than the answer. So if we will continue the traversing, if array's length is 10 or 20, maybe anything, and we will if continue, like we will continue, and at index let's say 9, at index 9 we again find the 5, then we will do 9 minus 5. So what I want to say, if I will continue the traversing, I will increase, this value will increase, this value will increase. So what we have to minimize this whole value. If this will increase, this answer will also increase. but we don't want this. So if at any instant we are finding the stamp is greater than the answer, at that instant only we can break the loop, that we don't want to traverse again, because we have to minimize. If any instant we are finding this is greater, means up, if I will continue the traversing, I will definitely find the temp which is greater than the answer. So we don't want that. Why we will continue? So we can break the loop there only. Now we'll code. So let one answer which is equal to int max. Now we'll traverse in the for loop. Also I can take a integer temp. Temp is equal to, let's say, 0. And now in for loop I will traverse int I equal to 0. I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. Then what I'll do, I will put a in if condition. If that nums of I is equal to target, then what we have to do, we have to store its answer. Like I have temp, its temp is absolute value of that index minus start. What I have to check now? I have to check this temp value is less than answer or not. So I'll check if temp is less than our answer, then what we have to do? We have to store this value in the answer. So answer is equal to now temp. If it is not, else what we have to do? We can break the loop. So and at last we have to return the answer. Now run the code. It's working. We can submit. Yeah, so it's working. And its time complexity, if in worst case its time complexity is order of n, and if we'll find the index before, so its time complexity will be reduced, but in worst case its time complexity is order of n. Thank you.